So a patent assignment actually means an ownership change. That's right. You're giving up as the inventor who owns the ability to make, use, and sell your invention. It's a big deal. I'm JD Hoovener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. I'm here to talk about the 4 keys that you can't miss about what is involved in a patent assignment. So first up, what is a patent assignment? And I should say before we get started, it's not just those patents that are issued. You can give up ownership of a patent application as well. So the overall structure is a legal document. It is usually 1 or sometimes 2 pages where the inventors, or inventor if there's just one, is giving up their rights to make, use, sell, and import, which are the 4 bundles of rights you get to exclude others from when you get a patent granted, to one or more individuals or entity. One of the most common places you see this is in employment agreements. Let's say you're working at a huge company like Amazon, for example. They've got an employment agreement. In there is definitely a clause where you'll be agreeing as you sign on to becoming an employee to give up, right? To give any rights of intellectual property that are developed in furtherance of your job, right? Of your skills in your career to the company. So even if you invent, no matter how wildly successful that invention is, commercially or otherwise, you actually assign your rights to the company. They own the ability to monetize or move that into another entity. The second big key is who executes a patent assignment. I mentioned that there's at least two parties. There's going to be the assignee, the one giving up the rights, that's the inventor or inventors, and the assignor, who's the one that's actually receiving. That is usually a company or another individual in that transaction. So why are they valuable? One of the most interesting ways that I explain to inventors and entrepreneurs that are just getting started and opening up their own businesses is the ability to assign your invention that's owned individually to the company. And we usually recommend doing this while it's still an application. You can assign a patent pending invention in the portfolio to a company. And why would you do that? Well, it's to limit your liability. If you, the individual, you're going to contract, let's say with a manufacturer or with another third party, and it's involving the invention itself and it's owned individually, there is the ability for the manufacturer or the third party to sue you, the inventor, individually with respect to the product or whatever happened with the invention. Whereas if it's now owned by the company, you've got that shield, that limitation of liability between you and the third party. Another good reason is that oftentimes, and I know this isn't always fun to hear, inventors don't always make the best business owners, right? The best CEOs. They're usually heads down, working on the technology, trying to bring about the next version. And the owners are able to see kind of a bigger picture, maybe more comfortable with marketing, operations, sales, and collections. So that's where owners can come in, non-technical folks can come in and help grow the company and have an ownership stake in all the IP assets, including the physical assets as well. All right, the 4th key is where do you find them? Well, patent assignments can be found online. The USPTO, the United States Patent and Trademark Office, has an application on their website to go search. And you can look by patent number, look by inventor name, lots of different things. You'll see on the link in the description below a full-length blog article that'll show you and provide a link to go look it up. So that is patent assignments in a nutshell. If you want to learn more about it, we do have a link below to schedule a free screening session to talk with one of our advisors on our team to see if you need to assign your patent or if you want to get started on the process, no matter where you are. Click for a free 20-minute phone call with our firm. Don't forget to click below and subscribe. I'll be posting videos like this at least once a week. Again, I'm JD Hoovener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents. Have a great day, everyone. Go big, go bold.